My top 5 online income streams. What's up guys, Ben Obrick here with another video. I want to actually shed some light on my top 5 most lucrative income streams, and I want to just have some real transparency on this video just to help explain you guys exactly what I do, what my business model is like, and how I'm able to turn 6 figures per month with my online business. Now, before we get going here, these 5 income streams, these 5 online income streams are the exact same income streams that you can use as well and you can get started with. Now, really quick before I dive into all 5 of these, I'm at our land here. I wanted to actually show you guys an update. We bought like 1.1 acres here. We're building a house, but like one of the reasons we bought the land is because the view is amazing. However, this guy over here decided, I'm gonna build my house right in front of your stuff. So this is where we would be building our house. The biggest view is right through there in between these 2 houses. He decided to build his house as far north as possible, even though he has all this land, thus blocking most of our view. So what are we gonna do? I'm going to build a house way taller than his, that is 2 stories with the steepest roof pitch possible. I already spent $6,000 on the architecture, already paid for the land, so we will be building it so it looms over his head. Now, back into the top 5 most lucrative online income streams. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Now, obviously you guys have heard about affiliate marketing before. Now, affiliate marketing presently makes me about 5 figures per month, somewhere between $9,000 and $11,000 every single month. How can you do affiliate marketing online effectively? Well, it comes down to really how you do it. So when you tell somebody, here's this tool I have, just buy it, it doesn't really work. But a lot of times what I'm doing in YouTube videos or when I'm teaching, I'm explaining how I'm able to make XYZ amount of dollars per day, and the process that I use happens to utilize this tool or this software. For example, ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is something that at my current level, I pay about $600 per month for. But if I didn't have it, my business would not exist. I need ClickFunnels to be able to have my online business and have it run and continue generating passive income for me. So when I can offer ClickFunnels as a tool to help somebody else in turn get an online business themselves and get it to 5-6 figures per month, them paying the $97 or $297 per month for the ClickFunnels entry packages starts to make sense when it really is a backbone of your business. So number 1 of my income streams, not necessarily the most high generating income one, but one of them is affiliate marketing. Now, my second online income stream is my marketing agency. What do? I have a marketing agency where I help businesses and entrepreneurs establish their online sales process and build their brands. We might be building sales funnels for people. We might be building the back end sequences, the retargeting. We might actually be making the ads, creating the ads, editing the ads, managing the ads. We're helping them with content for their platforms, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, etc. So that's my agency. I like to market this type of service to people that are multiple 6, 7, 8-figure business owners and entrepreneurs, big corporations, big companies that lack their flow with social media, that lack a process with social media, that really know they need to be on social media, they need to be building their brands more, but they just don't know how to do it. So my company comes in as the company, the guy, the team that can help them do that. We've worked with e-commerce brands, we've worked with brick and mortar businesses, we work with tea companies, we work with doctors, lawyers, other entrepreneurs, fashion models, and everybody from an array of different niches and different backgrounds. Now, really quick before I get into income stream number 3 with my 5 most lucrative online income streams, you may have noticed that I have a speech impediment right now. It is because I got Invisalign, all right? I had braces when I was a kid, and I decided not to wear my retainer because my dog chewed it all the time. That's the excuse I'm gonna roll with. It is true, so I just dropped $6,000 on Invisalign, so I do sound like I have a speech impediment. That is why, and other than right now, I'd normally have rubber bands in my mouth, so that's also really cool. Now, my 3rd income stream comes directly from Instagram itself. And really quick before I dive into that, make sure if you haven't already subscribed to the channel that you do so now, and make sure to go ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. I really want to thank you guys because the income that I'm earning, the business that I have would not exist without you. nor would your business exist without the people that your business caters to, your clients, your prospects, your leads, and everything like that. So I do want to thank you guys, all of you guys that love me, don't love me, hate me, like me, are brand new to the channel, have been here for a while, have participated in a lot of the programs, the mentorship, maybe I've helped you build one of your 6 or 7 figure businesses. I know there's many of you guys on here that watch this channel. Really want to thank you, because my business wouldn't exist without you. It wouldn't exist, period. All right, so you guys really help me to be able to help other people and continue doing what I love, which brings me into income stream number 3. My third income stream specifically comes directly from Instagram. I use Instagram as a traffic source to be able to get leads and sales for my products, for my services, for other affiliate marketing opportunities, etc. And Instagram alone on a bad month allows me to make in excess of $20,000 per month, okay? So to recap, affiliate marketing does between $9,000 and $11,000 per month for me, okay? The agency does between $30,000 and $100,000 per month for me, and my Instagram alone is able to generate over $20,000 per month for me, and it varies. So if we want to go with a bottom line there, we're 9. I would say the agency on an average month is 50, so 59, 69, $79,000 on just those 3 income streams. And I simply use Instagram as a platform to be able to transcribe content, whether it's picture, video, story, IG Live, IGTV. I teach, I educate people on there. I run my ads, I get people into my systems, into my funnels. I'm networking in the DMs. People are reaching out to me, I'm reaching out to them. I strike up conversations and I make deals selling my products or my services, and that alone funnels $20,000 a month or more. In some really good months, I've made upwards of $40,000 or $50,000 from my Instagram. That's the power of Instagram. And if you haven't harnessed the power of Instagram, I've included a link in the description to help you get started. Now, what is income stream number 4 for my online business? That's a great question, because I already forgot what it is. Income stream number 4 is e-commerce. Got to take advantage of one of the fastest growing industries out there, and there's no better time like the present. So when I'm talking e-commerce, could be Amazon, could be Shopify. Right now, specifically for me, it is Shopify. And one of the things that I do is I help my clients build successful e-commerce businesses. And instead of charging tons and tons of money, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $80,000, we usually charge a low upfront retainer, and then I take a percentage of the profits once the business is profitable. So that's something that I'm doing with a couple clients right now, where they're producing $100, $300, $800 a day, whatever the case may be. And as we're going, I'm just taking a percentage of those profits. So instead of them paying me XYZ amount of dollars per month to help them keep their business going, they're learning, I'm continuing to work with them in exchange for the profits. So usually I'll just charge an upfront retainer of $10,000, for example, and then I'll just take a percentage of the profits and continue working with them so they understand how to keep their business going and scale it. But I'm there to support, to provide, to monitor ads, to look for new trending products and things like that. In exchange for that, I get sort of a royalty from that. So I do that with a lot of my clients, and it allows me to cash in on the e-commerce while not having to do all of the work myself. And currently we're scaling that up. That attributes to about $5,000 per month to my income. So right now we're at what, 9, 50, 59, 69, 79, 89, about $88,000, which brings me to my online income stream number 5, which is my most favorite. So before we get into that, guys, I want to know, what is your number 1 struggle when it comes to making money online, when it comes to establishing your business? What do you struggle with your current online business, or the one that you want to start? Go ahead and drop it in the comments, because I am going to answer and reply to every single one of you guys. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pick a winner, a comment winner, and I'm actually going to feature it in one of my next YouTube videos. And what I'm going to do in there is simply use that comment as an instructive point to help you, that person that's going to be winning one of those comments. So make sure to drop a really good comment below. I'm going to pick a winner, going to feature it in one of my next YouTube videos, and I'm just going to use that as a teaching point to help you get further ahead in your business. So without further ado, let me bring you to income stream number 5. So income stream number 5 is my most favorite income stream. And once again, all of these are stuff that you should be partaking in. I recommend you partake in, and that you could be doing. Anything that you know and you know really well, learn it, do it, teach it, give back. And there's no reason that you don't deserve to make money doing that. After all, what do teachers do? Teachers get paid to teach. But unfortunately, in traditional education, in traditional society, you'll spend $100,000 on a college marketing degree learning from someone that's not a professional at marketing, like you know, myself or like a lot of the leaders in the online world that actually understand marketing, understand sales, understand YouTube, Facebook, Instagram algorithms, understand ads, understand retargeting, but you don't learn that in school. And you go to public schools, you go to high school, you go to middle school, you go to college, whatever, and teachers are getting paid $47,000 per year. And it's not necessarily their fault that they're teaching information that isn't relative, that you can't actually create success on. What they're teaching affords you to live middle class. And middle class, I don't accept that. I call that mediocrity, all right? And so when I'm teaching, I get paid more than the average teacher, excessively more, because the information that I provide is in higher demand and it's more applicable to life, to success, to business, to be able to create a lifestyle that you want and be able to earn passively. You know, we've been taught, work 40 hours a week, get a paycheck, whatever. And you're learning that from people that make 50K a year, middle class. And I'm not part of the middle class. I'm like the top 1% of the top 1% of income earners in the United States. And so I love teaching because I'm able to give back my knowledge to you guys. I'm able to be paid for that. And in turn, you guys are able to take this information and make 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure businesses, and the networking opportunities it provides, and the sheer lifestyle that some of you guys are able to live through what we're teaching, the value we're providing here in my company at Millionaire Mafia is crazy. So to be able to see you guys succeed, be able to give back, to be able to see how far so many of you guys have come and where you've started. Leo Ahmad dropping out of college, now doing $50,000 per month with his agency. Pascal Kresig doing $250,000 inside a year. Other people hitting their first $10,000 on Instagram. Another one of my clients today talking to doing $10,000 to $15,000 every single month with just 9,000 followers. So it's absolutely crazy to see a 66-year-old man that's brand new to e-commerce now profiting a couple $100s per day. Absolutely insane. And for me to have the opportunity to be able to be recognized as an authority, to be able to get paid to help you guys scale your business and create that dream lifestyle is really awesome. And that's my 5th income stream. And I can't even put a price on that. I can't even put a price on that because I'm only getting started and there's just so much more to do and there's so many more people to help. And I know that income stream's only going to keep going up as I continue to help other people achieve the life that they want, produce the results that they want. And that's the number one. That's why I wanted to save the 5th for the last, because it's really the first and it's really the most important to me. So I appreciate you guys on here. Let me know what your number one struggle is when it comes to your online business or the one that you want to start. I will be replying to those comments. I will be picking a winner and I will be featuring it on one of my next YouTube videos to help teach and get you guys to the next level. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. My name is Ben Oberg and I'll see you guys next time.